Hello there, this is a Canon TS3720 printer. If you have a similar model and it's showing you an error P08 on your display screen, I will try to show you how to resolve that issue, how to clear that error, and keep on printing. Please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel where you will find more printer repair and maintenance content. Printer error 08 will refer to an ink cartridge problem or a printhead problem, but on this TS3720 series printer, there are ink cartridges. There's a color one with 3 colors in it and a black cartridge. So here's our color and this is the black. Remove both cartridges and inspect them. Make sure there's nothing in this area that is like ink buildup. You will notice that right away, and also on this area. If your ink cartridges are empty or near empty, that may also trigger the error. So that's another thing. If you have ink buildup over here or ink on any of these contact areas, make sure to clean it, and then don't forget to clean that inside the printer as well. To check which ink cartridge is actually giving you the problem, you can just remove one and then close the cover and see if the error went away, and then you can also do vice versa. That can help you figure out which one is actually the problem. And after you've cleaned everything, you have good ink levels in there. Try putting it into the printer again and see if that resolved it. In worst case, and that's a problem that cannot be fixed, you will need an ink cartridge. A new ink cartridge is when this area right here is damaged. This is the ink nozzle area. That's where the ink comes out. This is the color ink cartridge. The 3 colors come out right here. A good ink cartridge with good ink in it will give you a healthy stamp. If you can see all 3 colors right there. There's cyan, magenta, and yellow. Once again, there it is. This is for the color. And for the black, gives a nice ink stamp right there. So that's how you know there's ink in there. It's not dry or anything. Sometimes when the printer is not used for a long time, the ink can dry up, and then when you turn it on, it may cause an error when the ink is not coming out the nozzles. So what happens is the printer is trying to put ink out, is blocked, and then the nozzles can heat up to a point where it can get damaged. So if you clean this, if you don't see straight lines like we see here, there is a chance that it is damaged. But hopefully that's not the case for you. Hopefully they look like this after you wiped it clean. Put a little bit of water into a container, about 1/4 inch, and let these clear up if your ink is very dry on the nozzles. And then wipe it clean. Make sure this area is dry before you put the ink cartridges back into the printer. Those 3 points that we went over should resolve the issue for you. And like I said, the worst case scenario is one of the cartridges is just going to be burnt out, which if you had a printhead in your printer, that would be a very costly repair. In your case, if you need a new cartridge, that's something that you would get anyways. So either an aftermarket cartridge or a genuine Canon brand should resolve that P08 error. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to like and have yourself a great day.